Initially, I had pretty good run of health, and then all of a sudden, after months of working out and getting healthy, I hit a brick wall. I had lots of problems with like not being able to recover from my workouts. If I worked out for an hour, then it took me 4 days to recover. I had some pelvic pain. I had some changes with my monthly cycle that were extremely different, and I just generally felt bad. It was like I'd hit a brick wall again. It was just awful. I had been to see my GYN. I'd also been to see my general practitioner. I had batteries of tests done with them, and they kind of both threw their hands up and went, well, we don't know what's going on. Well, I'll go to a gym. Can I plug Body by Bam?
Sure.
And one of the owners had been seeing you for some of her problems, and she suggested that I come to see you, that maybe you would have a different perspective on things and hopefully get something done about this. Definitely more energy. Definitely all the problems that I was having with the pain and the monthly cycle problems, they're gone. They're back to normal. Everything's back to normal. I'm able to start working out harder again, and I just feel better. I was kind of walking around in a daze. I really didn't have a lot of mental recall abilities, and sometimes it's still a little weird, but I know that's all part and parcel of the condition I have. But it's definitely 100% better as far as like being able to recall things and being able to hold on to information, which is important in my job as a therapist. Well, I had been working out an hour before, and it took me 4 days to recover, and I was having to skip my gym sessions. Now I'm working out a hard 30 minutes, at least 3 days a week, if not more. So that's definitely also just the energy. I was waking up in the morning really, really tired, and I know I have gotten some sleep, but it wasn't like I was really rested. I think it's wonderful. I really do. I mean, I suggest it to anybody. In fact, I've suggested it to some people, and whether or not they follow up with it, that's their thing. But you know, when you come in with a condition that you're not really familiar with and you're actually really not sure what's going on, it's hard to deal with not knowing. And being able to know and then address it just makes the world of difference. What have you got to lose? I mean, I spent hundreds of thousands of dollars at doctors. I could spend hundreds of thousands of dollars in other places. If you're seeking one route, you can't find the answers, then sometimes you have to think outside of the box and invest your money wisely, even in something that's not considered traditional medicine. It's more of an outlier than it typically is in the medical community, and coming from a medical person, that's hard. You want to seek out traditional, definitive medicine. However, when you're looking outside the box, there's so many more things that can encompass what's going on and help you figure out exactly where you need to go.